going to show you how to teach young children how to use utensils. This is my son Scott, 13, and he's going to help me a little bit by enjoying this nice little snack while using utensils while we talk about some methods that can be used to teach them. So first of all, one of the problems that a lot of parents have is that they'll not only can they not get their children to use utensils and they're 15 and they're still using their hands, but they don't know what to do. And one of the problems is that they need to think a little outside the box. So one of the things that I did when I taught my children how to use utensils was I went to the store and I bought a box of this heavy-duty plastic cutlery. It includes spoons, forks, and knives. And the reason why is a couple of reasons. One, when you take a regular fork and you press it against your hand, that's kind of sharp. When you take this plastic fork and you press it against your hand, it doesn't hurt too much. So basically, when your child is small, especially if they're a toddler and they're learning how to use a fork, you know, they're kind of not as coordinated as an adult or a 13-year-old, and they make a mistake and go bam, right into the side of their face. That's going to hurt, and that's going to teach them a negative image of learning how to use utensils. So one of the things that I loved to do was I loved to give this to them, and they were so excited because as soon as I would get the box out, they knew it was time to eat and that they were going to get to use utensils like a big kid. So that was very exciting. The other thing is that I like to use the spoon, the plastic spoon, because a lot of the foods that they eat, they don't necessarily bring it into their mouth like this. They'll bring it into their mouth like that, or they'll bring it into their mouth like that in other ways. So it kind of employed itself in that method. Most importantly, even though this utensil is a butter knife, it still has a sharp serrated edge, and on a small child that could hurt, especially if they're cutting their steak and their little tiny finger gets in the way, and it could produce a cut. On this plastic utensil, this thing is not very sharp at all, and they will not be able to hurt themselves. So my number one recommendation is to buy some of this plastic cutlery at the store. Have your kids involved, let them buy in. Sometimes they sell it in different colors at party stores, and let them use it to learn how to use utensils.